Here you go, Miss Walker.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Alan and I go way back. I come here all the time.
So do we, right, Alan? Hey, Alan. Hey. Alan.
Let's go, this way.
There's no way that idiot can miss that.
There is a bomb.
Where?
Would you believe in the piano?
Whoa, how did we miss that?
Ooh! Did I miss? No. You got them. Whoa! What did I miss? What did I miss?
Come on, dog. I'm coming.
I won't miss it for the world.
Now you see what you've done? Because of you, we're all going to miss Stanley.
I'm sorry, did I miss something?
I'm sorry, Garfield. Not now.
Oh, you're gonna miss us.
I don't want to miss a moment.
My mother made me take it out. Amy put alcohol on it. And here we are. What do we miss?
Come on, we'll miss it. Come on.
Did I miss anything?
Not a thing.
All right, people, let's move this way.
The other way.
The other this way.
Okay, then. Okay.
Wow. Well, we're going to miss you around here.
Yeah, me too.
Hi, sweetie.
I miss you.
I miss you too. So, tell me all about your first day.
Oh, wow. Where do I even start?
Sure you're not gonna miss this guy? He's gone, all that's left is me.
You gonna miss me?
You gonna miss me?
You are gonna miss me.
He does miss you when you're not here. And frankly, you're going to miss us. Because this is the last time we're all going to be together.
It's a little thing, but you really do miss it.
To Bridget.
Just as she is.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? I'll go.
I'm sure gonna miss him, Jen. You guys miss me? Because I'm back.
You know, when we do go up, I'm gonna miss this place.
I'm gonna miss you, man.